Hello, and this is Mike at Outdoor Living UK. We're the suppliers of water features and garden products. For 15 years now, we've been supplying water features for modern and traditional gardens, varying price points from £50 upwards. However, due to this, we do offer a range of accessories such as LEDs, pumps and transformers. Customers often get confused when they're looking at our website as to what pump or what transformer I may need. There are so many different manufacturers out there, varying with different model numbers, that it gets very, very confusing for customers and thus very confusing for ourselves. We sell our pumps and transformers on the website at very low prices, but these are on order online basis, so you need to be very clear on what you're purchasing. So here I'm just going to give you some very, very brief guidelines. So let's take a low voltage pump. Low voltage pump means it needs a transformer. Okay, that's what it means. Mains high power pump needs a plug. So let's take a look at a typical transformer. So typical transformer, pump. So this pump is a 7-watt pump. So you can really ignore the model number. This is a fountain head. So what you're looking for is a 7-watt pump, i.e. 450. 450 is generally the litres per hour. So this pump is a 7-watt 450 pump. All right, so this has a light extension cable. So this is when we refer to lights. This has 2-pin adapter on it like such. 2 pins. Okay, so normally a light on a water feature will have 2 pins that go into this. Okay, so this is a tail. We call this a 450 pump. It's got 8 meters of cable to fit into a transformer with 1 tail on this particular one. We have other ones with 2 and 3 pumps, 3 tails. This one here is to go into an LED light. So you might have a water feature that's got a single light on it. You want to operate it. You're changing the pump, so you need to change the pump with a tail on it. And we call this an aux tail to connect to your light. So what transformer do you need with this particular pump, for example? So a 7-watt pump. So you need to work out what type of transformer you need for this. You do this by getting a calculation for the transformer and dividing it by 0.83. Okay, so 0.83. So this particular pump, 7-watt pump, I would normally put this on, let's to be safe, put this on a 15 VA transformer. You can go to a 12 VA transformer as well, and even a 10, but you're not going to go exactly like for like on a 7 because you've got the power of the lights to consider as well. Okay, so this is a typical transformer that goes with this. So this particular example of a transformer, so this is only a 4.8 transformer, so this is not powerful enough to do this particular pump, but it's just an example of a transformer, 4.8 VA transformer. So this one would do a smaller pump, maybe a 250 pump, a 2.5 watt, 3-watt pump. But this is how it connects. So you've got your light going into here, your pump going onto your water feature, and your end of this going into the transformer, 3-pin plug into the wall. We also have on our website transformer plugs. So this is a transformer like this. Okay, again, you'll see the same sort of ratings. This is a 800 MA, same sort of ratings. Again, this is low power, so this won't work with this particular one because it's only 800 MA, but it's a typical example. So this goes into here and then goes into the wall. Now you might have a water feature that's got more than 1 light on it. So we do pumps with more than 1 tails on it, say 2 or 3 tails. Or you could potentially get 1 tail if you can't find the pump you want. Connect it to here, which is a cable light extension. And then you've got 2 on here. So if you can't find what you want, we do sell these. They are 2-way extension cables. And connect this to this to this, that then to 2 lights, etc. This is a mains pump here, so this is a 2045 watt powerful pump, mains powered, 10 meters of cable, straight 3-pin plug to your wall. So on our website, you're going to find about 20 or 30 different models of pumps and about 20 or 30 different transformers. What you've got to remember is trying to identify the right pump you want. So don't worry too much about model numbers. Worry about maybe the size of the fountain head to go into your rubber tube and the power. So if you've got let's say you've got a pump that's 7 watts pump, you might be looking at 7 watt. If you can't find 7 watt, you might go to 8 or 9 watt. Same with transformer, you might be looking at a new 12 VA transformer. You can go with another 12 VA transformer, or you might go to a 15 VA transformer and just go up a grade. We generally prefer customers always to order online. I know it can be daunting, can be difficult when you can't find your exact model number, but please take a look at the pump you've got or the transformer you've got and go for like, or if not, just upgrade to the next one up. So a 15 VA transformer is going to work on a 12. A 700 pump will work on a 650 or vice versa. 700 pumps obviously got a little bit more flow rate than a 650, but not a lot. There's not a lot of difference. And generally speaking, 250 pumps do small, tiny water features. 450 pumps do small water features. 650 pumps do water features about 1 meter high. 1100 pumps about 1.2 high. And then you go to 1500 mains pumps and 2000 mains pumps like this. Well, I hope this gives you a bit of an idea. I know it's difficult, but I'm just going to once more recap. Transformers, there's plug transformer, which is this. Transformer with a cable, which is this. Okay, they both do the same job. Obviously, some people prefer one than the other. If you can't find transformer with cable you want, then just go with the transformer plug. It will still do the same job. All right, thank you very much. How to Live in UK.